So we've got an interesting equation to solve that is 144 q squared equals 25, right? This equation involves quadratic terms, so we'll be using some algebraic techniques to find the solution, right? So our goal is to isolate q, okay? So the first step is to divide both sides by 144, okay? Let's write that down. 25 over here. Remember, we're going to divide by 144 on both sides. So that cancels out with that, and therefore I'm left with q squared equals 25 divided by 144. Now to solve for q, we can take the square root of both sides, right? But remember, there are two possible solutions, so we will get a positive, right, and a negative. Right, whenever you're carrying this squared over, and therefore the side becomes square root, and in a case like this, we're always going to place a positive and a negative, since there are two possible solutions for q. Okay, and then to just simplify things further, right, let's square root the numerator, right? You can actually rewrite this form into this. They both mean the same thing. So the square root of 25 is 5, and the square root of 144 is 12. Therefore, q can either be 5 over 12, or q can be negative 5 over 12. Okay, so we've found the solution, but let's not forget to always check our solution by substituting these values back into the original equation just to see if it's correct. Yeah, and that's about it.